children, good morning. Today our first topic is rooms in a house. Children, now I will ask you few questions. Children, how many rooms are there in your house? In my house, there are 4 rooms. They are living room, kitchen, bedroom and bathroom. See children, you can see in this image. See, you can see in this image. See, this is sofa. What is this? Sofa. This is also sofa. This is also sofa. We have 3 sofas here. And what is this, children? This is table. What is this? Table. And what is this? Carpet. What is this? Carpet. And what is this? Armchair. What is this? Armchair. And what is this? Flower vase. What is this? Flower vase. Children, what is this? Telephone. Do you remember? This is telephone. And what is this? Painting frame. This is photo frame. Children, what is this? AC. What is this? AC. And what is this? Television. What is this? Television. We called as TV also, right? This is television. One more time, I will show you children. Sofas. These 3 are sofas. This is table. This is table. And this is carpet. This is carpet. And this is armchair. And this is flower vase. And this is telephone. And this is photo frame, painting photo frame. And this is AC. And this is television. Okay children, you also discuss about tell about your living room. And we'll go to the next topic children. The next topic is the lost monkey storytelling. The title of the story is The Lost Monkey. The Lost Monkey. Okay children, let's start the story. One day, the baby monkey is sad. The baby monkey is sad. He can't find his family. He can't find his family. A deer sees the sad monkey. Who came here? Deer came and see the sad monkey. He tries to help. He tries to help. He can't see the monkey's family. What happened? He can't see the monkey's family. He says, sorry monkey, I can't able to find your family. I can't able to find your family. Later, an elephant came. Who came? An elephant came. And he sees the 2 animals. And see the 2 animals. What are the 2 animals, children? The sad monkey and deer. The sad monkey and deer. He tries to look for the monkey's family. He tries to look for the monkey's family. He can't see them. He can't see them. He says, sorry monkey, I also can't able to find your family. I can't able to find your family. Later, a tiger came. Who came? Tiger came. A tiger sees the 3 animals. What are the 3 animals here, children? The sad monkey, deer, elephant, these three animals here. The tigers are the three animals. He tries to look for the monkey's family. He tried to look for the monkey's family. He can't see them. He can't see them. He says, "Sorry, monkey. Even I also can't able to find your family. Oh, even I also can't able to find your family." Later, a giraffe came. Who came? Giraffe came. See, giraffe has a long neck. Giraffe has a long neck. The giraffe tried to help. The giraffe tries to help. He says to the monkey. He says to the monkey, "I can see your family. I can see your family. They are on a far off tree. They are on a far off tree." The baby monkey thanks the animals for helping him. The baby monkey is so happy, right? So the baby monkey helps the animals. The baby monkey thanks the animals for helping him. Then he goes to his family. Children, here all animals help to the baby monkey, right? So you also help your friends. Okay, children, we'll go to the next topic. The next topic is letter B. Children, now I'm going to show how to write B. Now, first of all, I'm arranging some dots in standing line. A big font size, see? I'm arranging a big line. See, this is standing line. Now I'm going to arrange right curve. I just stopped in middle. Again, another right curve. See, this is B. What is this? B. Now, I'm going to join these dots. See, standing line, right? So, dot to dot, we have to join carefully like this. See, this is standing line. And this is right curve. And stop at the middle and join another right curve. See, children, this is letter B. So, you also do in your book with crayon like this. See, they have given some dots. You have to arrange with crayon. Okay, children? See, B for bucket. B for bucket. B for bat. B for bat. And B for bottle. B for bottle. B for bucket. B for bat. B for bottle. Children, what is the phonic sound of letter B? B. B. So this is letter B. You have to do at your home. Okay, children, we'll go to the next topic. Children, our next topic is number 3. See, this is number 3. See, number 3. Children, can you guess what are these? These are fishes. You like fishes? I like fishes, children. Now, count how many fishes here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Children, what are these? These are circles. See, these three are circles. How many objects here? 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. Here, 3 objects are here. So, this is number 3. Okay, children. You to practice at your home. I will send you the worksheets. Okay, children. Hope you all enjoyed today's session, right? We'll meet tomorrow. Bye-bye. Thank you.